Hello explorers, this is Esi Rhule from Ohhyesafrica and you are welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll take a look at the top 5 restaurants in Cape Coast. Locating a good place to eat is as important to the ordinary traveler as locating a tourist destination. In this video, I'll help you locate affordable and Cape Coast's finest restaurant to serve you the best of local and continental dishes. Cape Coast, the capital city of Central Region of Ghana, is located along the coast and therefore the home of organic seafood. So make sure you have enough of it while you are there. Now, let's delve into the foodie mood and explore the top 5 restaurants in Cape Coast. The first restaurant out of the top 5 restaurants in Cape Coast we'll be looking at is Solace Restaurant. Solace is a bar and restaurant located opposite Adisadel College in Cape Coast. It's about 2 minutes walk from the main road of the school. It is one of the oldest restaurants in Cape Coast. They provide delicious assorted local and continental dishes, all brands of local beers and fresh bushmeat. You are bound to meet lots of top politicians here, especially on Sundays. Prices are moderate. You can also go there for good music, and the good news is they are open each day of the week from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. During festive seasons, it gets really busy and full very fast, so you may want to probably make reservations before you go. Our next restaurant is Orange Beach Restaurant. Owned by an old Croatian lady, Katia, but run mostly by Kobe, a Ghanaian Rastafarian who is very patient and friendly. Orange Beach is about 5 minutes walk from the Cape Coast Castle and a stone's throw away from Oasis Beach Resort. Sitting on the beach, this airy and friendly restaurant serves fresh organic juice, smoothies, as well as tasty breakfast, fish grills, and different Ghanaian dishes. If you're a fan of good loud music, it is the perfect place to be at night on weekends. When it comes to food, just order way in advance. The meals are freshly prepared and it takes time to get the food ready for some reason. Just order in advance. This property also offers guest rooms, complete with a private terrace, a balcony, ironing facilities, a work desk, and a mirror. The rooms have a view over the sea with Wi-Fi. Come on now, what more can you ask for? The third restaurant is Baobab Vegetarian Moringa Restaurant. Located on the Kingsway Commercial Street, just about 3 blocks away from the Melcom Supermarket, near the Cape Coast Castle. In the Baobab House is an African bookshop, the Black Star, and souvenir shop. It is currently the reigning vegan restaurant in Cape Coast in terms of delivery and good customer service. Baobab serves great veggie stews and curries, black bread sandwiches, refreshing juice, smoothies, and different types of shakes. Baobab House is the perfect place to have good and healthy food. Trust me. Tasty juice. When you are there, try their Moringa pineapple, you will love it. And they also have good breakfast. They have accommodation as well, which is pretty cool. But some of my clients have complained of noisy surrounding at night and the disturbing sounds of passing cars as the building is just by the roadside. So you may want to consider that before you book to sleep. Alright? Part of the income earned by the restaurant is redirected into charity causes to support the Baobab Children Foundation, which is dedicated to helping children learn trades to support themselves. They are open throughout the week from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Our fourth restaurant is the Natural Bamboo Village. Owned and managed by Kobe, a Ghanaian, Natural Bamboo House is an edifice of an all-round bamboo structure intended for the ordinary traveler to have a feel of how a typical African home is like, while ensuring that eating healthy is a priority. It is always like a family Thanksgiving at the Natural Bamboo House, and it is seamless. Trust me, you will love it. They have specified range of foods that reflects most natural and healthy living. 80% of the meals they provide are vegan, But even if you are not a vegetarian, Kobe can easily fix something suitable for you. My first time sleeping there was magical. Before breakfast, everyone was checking up on everyone. We were about 12 in the house. We came out together to sit around Kobe, who was cooking for us. Talked about how smooth, unreal the night was, and general getting to know each other. Oh my, I wish to relive this soon. It is a wonderful place. Kobe's place is right next door to Cape Coast Castle, a fascinating historic monument. More importantly though, Kobe himself is a fantastic host. He cooks, he sings, he's just a great guy to chat with. Completing the top 5 restaurants in Cape Coast is the Castle Beach Restaurant. Castle Beach Restaurant is located on the Victoria Road adjacent to the Cape Coast Castle and next to the Natural Bamboo House. Most visitors rate the prices of their food and drinks as affordable. The Castle Restaurant truly is Cape Coast's best restaurant for African seafood. It has an interesting wall with sculptures embedded into it. To the left from the entrance is a sitting area overlooking the Atlantic Ocean. The view from here is spectacular and feels very fresh. The Cape Coast Castle gives a nice dimension to this wooden structure. It opens from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. each day. And there you have it, explorers, the top 5 restaurants in Cape Coast. By no means is this list conclusive. Feel free to include in the comments below new places you think should have made it to the list. I for one can't wait to explore new places in Cape Coast as things begin to open up. Have you been to any of the top 5 restaurants in Cape Coast listed in the video? How was your time there? I'm really curious to know. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't hesitate to share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video. And until next time, bye!